Got a family birthday coming up, perhaps an anniversary? Nyam Nyam will show you how to make super easy number cakes with cool designs and fantastic party show-stopping cakes. So get ready to learn how to make a ladybird number 1, a mermaid number 2, a desert cactus number 3, a gorgeous Kit Kat chocolate cake with an M&M fountain, a unicorn cake, a donut cake, and an ice cream sandwich cake. So let's get started. Got a family birthday coming up, perhaps an anniversary? Nyam Nyam will show you how to make super easy number cakes with cool designs and fantastic party show-stopping cakes. First up, we're going to show you how to bake a number 1. It's so easy to make, you won't believe it. All you need is some basic vanilla cake, or any cake of your liking. Follow our guide to cut it into shapes to make your number, and then piece your number together. Having prepared some buttercream icing with food colouring, you can just scoop it on with an ice cream scoop. It's really that easy. You can even just buy a vanilla cake, or let's say you don't like vanilla, why not choose a different cake? Maybe chocolate or coffee cake or carrot cake, even red velvet cake. And think about your design. What kind of things does your birthday girl or boy like? Or perhaps it's an anniversary. So on top of your buttercream icing, you can use fondant icing to decorate and do finishing touches. We're putting ladybirds on here and some leaves and spots because this is our ladybird design. And there you have it. A beautiful first birthday cake. Easy to slice. And even easier to eat. I'm sure the guests are going to love it. So next we're going to show you how to bake number 2. That's right, you guessed it. 2 is going to be multicoloured. We're going to do a mermaid number 2, a little bit different this time. So if you want to be a bit more exciting, you don't have to use one colour buttercream icing. Why not use 3? If you use food piping bags for each of these colours, you can easily put them in a food piping bag together. You get this gorgeous multicoloured rainbow effect when you squeeze it out through that nozzle. You just get your basic cake and then slice it up and then piece it together to form your number shape. You might need a couple of cakes, 2 or even 3 to do this. But vanilla cakes are so easy to bake. Choose different designs. We don't always have to cover the entire outside with fondant icing. This time we're just covering the top with cute little wave-like patterns. Some chocolate seashells and mermaid tails and sprinkle pearls. Anything to make it look mermaidy. Beautiful. Number 2, mermaids for you. The only trouble is, we'll all be fighting over the mermaid tails. Who gets one? I want the mermaid tail! Me! So, number 3. A really nice technique to use, as well as using multicoloured buttercream icing, is to use different shades of the same colour. So we've got several different shades of green in this one, for example, mixed with a bit of yellow. Also, if you use different shaped nozzles on your food piping bags, you can get really interesting patterns. We're going to make some plants and flowers, you'll see. So you get 2 round cakes, cut out the middle in each. And then voila, number 3! So you can have a lot of fun with these cakes. Once you've made your basic shape, it's up to you how you want to decorate it. Think of a theme. Perhaps it's your daughter's birthday party and they really like unicorns. You could do a unicorn one. Perhaps it's your son's 5th birthday party and they love cars, so you could do cars. You know, anything that takes your fancy. Perhaps it's somebody's special occasion and they are really into gardening, so you could do a garden. We're kind of doing that with this one by putting little cacti on top of ours. Using little crushed up cereal pieces or cookie to fill in your buttercream icing borders. What a beautiful idea. Look at that. And of course, we can make cakes in double digits. We just need 2. All the more to eat. Careful not to cut your lip on that cactus. Next up, we're going to show you how to make an awesome gravity-defying M&M cake. We're just getting a chocolate cake. You could pre-make it, buy it from the store, whatever, slice it up, fill it with chocolate ganache or buttercream or whatever you fancy, really. We're going to go super chocolatey with this one. Yeah! So if you don't really have many ideas and you need some inspiration, then this is an awesome and easy way to make a party showstopper from a super simple chocolate cake. Fill it with chocolate ganache, coat it in chocolate ganache, get some Kit Kats, stick them around the outside, and get some M&Ms. Make an M&M stick by using chocolate ganache to stick them on, and then pour loads of M&Ms into the kind of bowl that you've created at the top. There you go, packet can go on and all. How amazing is that? Ooh, yummy! Don't mind if I do. Next up, some unicorn decoration ideas. Unicorn colours can be pink and purple, nice and pastel-y, even turquoise. Perhaps peach and cream. So again, we can just get a basic vanilla cake, which you can buy from the store, slice it up, layering it with your different coloured buttercream icing, or cream cheese, or marshmallow, or whatever it is that you want to fill it with. Even ganache. What do you prefer? Maybe you could put some jam in there too. A little sheet of plastic is really useful for smoothing it all out. You can get one of those spinning plates, so you put your cake on it and it just spins around to make it easier for you to pipe round the edges. Otherwise you'll have to just keep moving it all the time. It's such a great way of jazzing up a super simple cake. Now, you don't need any special tools to make things look effective. You can use simple things you've got in your kitchen, like we just used a serrated edge knife to make a lined effect around the outside of our cake. It's brilliant. So have a look around your kitchen and look for things that you have that you can use to make patterns and indents and shapes on your cake. You can put rainbow sprinkles on it, or jelly belly beans, or Smarties, anything colourful really. We've made a little unicorn who's fallen asleep out of fondant icing. What a wonderful idea. You know, this will really bring out the artist in you. Having fun with fondant. A rainbow with clouds. You can use cocktail sticks to stick any pieces on top of your cake. So be creative with your artistic flair. Ready to share. Now we're going to show you how to make a donut cake. So if you like donuts and you like cake, then this is definitely the recipe for you, because we're mixing both of those two things together. Fantastic. Maybe you could even make mini ones. Now for this you will need a donut-shaped cake mould, of course. Now think of all the different ways you could decorate your donut. You could coat it in sugar. You could put jam in the middle. We're scooping out a little kind of moat around it and putting white chocolate ganache, pink coloured, in it. White chocolate's really great because not only is it super sweet and delicious, but you can put all sorts of different colours in it. Whereas obviously dark chocolate is dark chocolate coloured. Fondant icing can give you a finishing touch. Using water to just stick on some sprinkles. Look at that, it's so easy. What kind of donut would you have? This kind? A jam donut? A sugared donut? Perhaps one with chocolate sauce on it? I kind of like the strawberry though. Next up, we're going to show you how to make fantastic ice cream cake, perfect for those summer sweet cravings. Don't leave it out too long though, it might melt. You can buy ice cream sandwiches from the store. They're super cheap and very easy to find. You're just going to stick them over some cream which you've covered a cake with. Most of the ingredients from this can be pre-bought. You don't really have to make anything, you just have to sort of piece it all together. What kind of things would you put in your ice cream cake? Maybe you could use different colours. Maybe you could hide some candies in there too. How about a bit of chocolate? They'll never know it's inside that white outside. Finishing touches, some Kit Kat bites, or Maltesers, a few M&Ms. Multicolours look fantastic against white, and that dark chocolate sauce just really stands out. So sometimes white's the way to go. There. Better eat it quick.